In this video, I'm going to show you how to add extensions to Squarespace step by step. This is a super useful feature if you want to expand what your website can do without needing complicated custom code or extra setup. Whether you want to connect tools for shipping, accounting, marketing, scheduling, or automation, Squarespace extensions can help streamline your workflow and make your site more powerful. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Squarespace and log in to the account that manages the website where you want to add the extension. Once you're in the dashboard, look for settings in the bottom menu. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the main account and website options. Click on Settings to open it. After that, scroll or look through the settings area until you find extensions. Click extensions to go into the extensions marketplace or integration area. This is where Squarespace lets you discover tools that can connect directly to your website. Now you have two options. You can browse through the available extensions, or if you already know what you're looking for, you can use the search bar to quickly find a specific extension. This is a great way to save time if you already have a tool in mind. Once you find the extension you want, click on it to open the details page. Here, you can usually see what the extension does, what it connects to, and any important setup information. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one for your needs. When you're ready, select Connect. Squarespace may prompt you to sign in to the third-party service or approve permissions so the extension can link properly with your website. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete any required authorization steps. After that, the extension should be connected and ready to use. In some cases, you may need to configure a few extra settings inside the extension itself, depending on what type of tool you added, and that's it. You've now learned how to add extensions to Squarespace. This is a simple but powerful way to improve your website and connect the tools you need to run your business more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website tutorials, and step-by-step guides.